Hello everyone, my name is Brooke Knowles. Today's Sunday, May 3rd, 2020. This is the chicken wing dissection. These are my notes. Okay, so I have the dissected chicken wing here. I'm going to be using this joint right in here because I could see it a lot better than the other one. So you can see this is a bone, and this is a bone, and in between those you have your synovial joint right here. So when I pulled these apart, you can see the white that's in between the ends of the bones. That's your articular cartilage right there. Is a good shot. This is difficult. So this is the end of a bone here. This is the end of the other bone. And this white right there, that's the articular cartilage. Okay, bones go together just like that. This, the articular capsule would surround the bones of the joint. And on the inside of the articular capsule, you have the synovial membrane that lines the synovial fluid and holds the synovial fluid in. It goes on the sides of the joint to keep it lubricated and moving. And then the articular cartilage in between the bones provides cushion and shock absorption. So a disease that affects the synovial joint, an example is gout, which is actually a form of arthritis. And what happens with gout is there's a buildup of uric acid in the blood. There's many reasons that can cause this. One of them is kidney failure. But the uric acid starts to develop crystals. And the crystals lay around the synovial joint. And these crystals have jagged, sharp edges. So imagine crystals all around here. That's going to decrease the available range of motion that the bones can move. Over time, the crystals start to break down the joint, basically like erosion around the joint area. And it's very, very painful. Many people describe it as a bunch of tiny little hot knives stabbing that joint. So that's just one of the many diseases affecting the synovial joint right here. All right, and that's it.